Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Whatever it takes.
Kenapa aku nggak pakai flicker aja ya?
Even time
Level 4,
yields to
yeay. Males ngambil Balmond.
Greatness arouses envy, and envy begets betrayal.
Attack the turtle!
I can still feel him.
First blood!
Enak, bisa ngambil ultinya.
He will wake up. I know it.
Beli not ya.
I don't mind leading the pathway from a rise to a fall. I join.
An enemy has been slain!
Lagi dia.
Attack the turtle! Attack the turtle!
I don't mind leading the pathway from a rise to a fall.
You have slain an
Wah,
enemy!
enak.
An ally has slain the turtle!
Whatever it takes.
Enemy missing!
Beli not.
And who suffers? Mercy is for the obedient. We are all
Ult is ready!
in one way or another.
Launch enemy missing! Killing spree!
Hey,
Wake up.
benar mantap.
I know it.
Ultinya bisa dipakai. Orangnya kenapa kok?
Enemy missing!
Semua ultinya enak loh guys musuhnya. Apa nggak di counter ya?
Who dare stand against me?
Kecuali itu sih, Lucian.
Ult is not ready.
There is
An
no
enemy
good.
has been
Pasrah.
slain!
Pasrah.
Mega kill!
Estasnya pasrah.
Enemy missing!
Greatness arouses envy, and envy begets
Attack the
betrayal.
turtle! An enemy has been slain! Attack the turtle!
Once again, stepping into
An
the
ally has been slain!
ultinya juga bisa buat nge-counter Eudora kan, yang kalau misalnya aku sendirian. Jadi bersambung-sambung gitu. SS.
An enemy has been slain. Legendary.
In one way or another.
Enak banget guys.
I can still feel it.
An enemy has been slain. Your team destroyed a turret. Legendary. Double kill. Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
Wow!
Launch attack.
Here's to me.
Our turret has been destroyed. An enemy has been slain. Attack! An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain. Initiate retreat.
Their sake, I make them fulfill.
Legendary.
Whatever it takes. Once again,
Initiate retreat. Launch attack.
we are all cursed in one way or another.
Request backup. Killing spree. Shut down. Killing spree. Initiate retreat.
I don't mind leaving the touches from a ride. I join, I win.
Initiate retreat. Legendary. Ally has been slain. Launch attack. Initiate retreat.
Who dare stand against me?
Ally has been slain. Mega kill. Request backup.
Even time yields.
The enemy has slain more. Unstoppable. Legendary. been destroyed. Our turret is under attack. Monster kill. Launch Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed. Our turret has been destroyed. Launch an attack. Slain.
They all hurt in one way or another.
Wait.
Yang paling kuat ngambil ulti siapa ya menurut kalian? Kalian paling kuat siapa? Skillnya. Oh nggak sakit.
Legendary.
For the obedient.
Godlike.
He will wake up. I know it.
Request backup. Your team destroyed a turret.
And who suffers? The betrayed or the betrayer?
Cepat.
I can still feel him. Just one heartbeat. Is everything.
Wait.
Even time heals me.
Your team destroyed a turret. Legendary. Attack the Lord. Initiate retreat. An enemy needed to slay.
Wow.
Legendary. Legendary. Your team destroyed a turret. Killing spree. Wiped out.
Aku sampai nggak baca komen. Mending SS sih kak buat nambah HP ke temen. Iya, SS juga enak. Tapi Odet juga enak. Odet Eudora juga enak. Tapi buat Eudora buat ngebunuh si Eudora doang. Emang enak sih yang Estes itu. Udah bisa nge-heal, terus bisa ngebunuh juga lagi, gila. Ngebunuh juga pakai skill satunya sama skill 2.
Till you make amends with the demons you've been through.
Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I